Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make Malunggay juice using an easy method. This simple recipe requires just a few common items. First, gather about 2 cups of fresh Malunggay leaves. You will also need 1 cup of water and your choice of sweetener, like honey. Make sure you have a blender, a fine mesh strainer, and a glass ready for your delicious drink. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the Malunggay leaves. Begin by washing them thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt or impurities. Carefully pick out any tough stems or leaves that appear discolored, ensuring only the freshest parts are used. Once clean, roughly chop the leaves into smaller pieces. This step helps them blend more easily and efficiently. With your leaves prepared, it's time to blend. Carefully transfer all the chopped Malunggay leaves into your blender. Next, pour in 1 cup of fresh water. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for approximately 1 to 2 minutes, or until the mixture appears smooth and well combined. Afterward, pour the blended liquid through a fine mesh strainer into a clean bowl, pressing to extract all the juice. Almost done, now you can customize your Malunggay juice to your taste. Add your preferred sweetener, perhaps 1 tablespoon of honey, or adjust to your liking. Stir the juice thoroughly until the sweetener is completely dissolved. Finally, pour your freshly made Malunggay juice into a glass. Serve it immediately to enjoy its vibrant flavor and maximum nutritional benefits. Cheers to your healthy drink.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.